Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today we'll be making potato and cheese dinner rolls. So I have here about 5 to 6 boiled potatoes and I've mashed them. And we're going to add our spices. I have green onion, parsley, if you have cilantro that's fine. Green chilies, about 3 to 2 green chilies, ginger paste, garlic paste, cumin powder, garam masala, red chilies and salt. All these spices are based on your taste, so please use however much you like. We're going to add everything to this bowl. So after all the spices are mixed, going to add in about 1.5 cups of cheese. This is a mozzarella cheese and we're going to mix it well. So now that our potato and cheese mixture is mixed well, we're going to put it aside and we're going to work on the dough. So here I have pizza dough that I'm going to make about small round balls. I'm going to set it aside. So I'm going to take a ball and I'm going to place a little bit of oil on my hand. I'm going to spread it to about a rectangle shape. This, and then you place a spoonful of the mixture over, squeeze the edges and fold it up, and then we're going to roll it. Like this. I'm going to place it into our greased pan. I'm going to continue to all of them. So I have here about a quarter teaspoon of milk and egg. We're going to beat it together. I'm going to brush it on. So I have here some sesame seeds. I'm going to sprinkle it over. And please make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake these until they are golden brown. So now that our potato and cheese rolls are ready, I'm going to brush them with some butter. And you can serve it when they cool down. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.